Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. We are getting ready to go to Disney World and Disneyland, California. Today I want to talk park bags with you. What kind of bags do you take into the park and what do you put in them? I did film a video last year. Our trip was quite different last year. We did a road trip at the start again, and then we spent 2.5 weeks in Disney World in the summer, so it was wet. But I packed quite light. When we go into the parks in Disney World, we know the parks really, really well. We don't do full days. We just go in for like a morning or an evening. I pack light. I always take my fanny pack. Love my fanny pack. It doesn't have huge amounts of space. There's a few pockets, but it's really, really handy. So I'll link up the video for you below so you can see exactly what I took in there. I do have a cute little like cross the body Disney handbags that I also sometimes take, but I love this bag. One of the main reasons I love it, I started wearing it first for the Universal parks. You have so many rides where you have to use the lockers, and I found that by using this, strapped it on, I didn't get asked to go to the lockers. So we could travel light as a family. It was perfect. We could get straight on the Hogwarts ride, the Mummy, Men in Black, the Simpsons. Saying that, I don't think you need a locker with Simpsons anyway, but I just wore this and I didn't get asked to remove it. So that's really handy. Phone, camera, sunglasses, you know, all the small bits and pieces, they all go in there. I do love this bag. It's a Disney one, and the thing I love about this as well, it's dual purpose. So you can wear it as a fanny pack, but you can also wear it as a shoulder bag or across the body. So I really do love this. They've changed the design. I think I bought this back in 2014. That's how long I've been using it for now. But they do have a similar variation still in the parks in Disney World. Now, we're doing Disneyland for the first time as a family, so I'm going to be taking slightly different things in the park. So I thought I would show you what bag I'm using, what I'm taking in the park, and then I'll also just briefly discuss how it varies from what I take in Disney World. So I bought a new bag in Disney World last year. It was pouring with rain, absolutely pouring. We came off Jungle Cruise. There's a little gift shop just opposite Jungle Cruise near the Aladdin flying carpet ride thing. We took shelter there and it poured with rain for about 20 minutes. And I'd been looking for a cute Disney rucksack. As much as I love this bag, in the summer, I don't have room for a brolly or a poncho, and it just means that Aid is left with everything for the 4 of us. And so I decided that I would buy a small rucksack. I'd been looking for one and I hadn't seen one I liked, and then I saw this cute one in that gift shop whilst we were waiting in the rain. It's not waterproof, but it's really, really light. I just wanted somewhere where I can throw in the ponchos. For the time being, whilst we're stuck with school holidays with the kids, we just have to accept the fact that we have to go in the summer when it's raining. So this is the bag I am now using for Disney. Now, with us traveling to Disneyland, we probably won't be going for like 3 hours at a time. We're going to be doing full days. We're doing 3 full days and an evening. So I want to have a little bit more space for a few more things. I don't think I'm going to be needing the ponchos or the brollies unless obviously it's forecast to rain that particular day if we're unlucky. Generally they don't get the rain like they do in Florida daily, but I'm going to show you what's in this bag right now. I did make the mistake before I'm filming this video. I have actually packed everything. The case is all done, so I've had to scramble through the cases and take things, so I think I might be missing a couple of things. But I'm going to show you my pouch first. I did a handbag declutter and reorganize a few months back. I cannot believe what a difference it made. It's for my normal everyday bag. I will link that up below. It's life-changing. And basically, it's all about pouches. Everything in my handbags now are in pouches, so it means it's really easy to 1, find things, and 2, if you're changing bags, you just take out your pouch and you're ready to go. So I've got this cute Disney pouch. All my pouches I buy from Primark. This one is £4 and the majority of them are about £3 or £4. Inside this pouch is my life, my makeup. I have really, really rosy skin. I have to tone it down all the time. I've always got a foundation on, and I always have my face base. This is a Body Shop face base. It's got amazing coverage. I've used it for goodness knows how many years. I always keep it on me. I'm always having just to touch it up, and this is perfect, and it doesn't melt in the park or anything like that. I cannot go out without lip gloss. I feel completely naked without lip gloss, so I've always got a lip gloss. This one is a little sort of like nude colour from Sephora. That's all I take with regards to makeup. Always carry my credit card on me. That's the only form of payment I take. I might have a couple of dollars, but I don't really take much money. Always got a hairband. Always got a couple of plasters, band-aids to take just in case of any little blisters. And I've got my headache tablets, and I've got the kids' headache tablets. And I've also got some gum. So that's what I take in my emergency pouch, and basically I can take any bag and I'm good to go as long as I've got those few bits in there. In the main section here, I've also got my sunglasses. They're actually in the car at the moment, but my sunglasses pouch. As we are going for full days in California, I have got a cereal bar for each of us, just to tie us over. I'm sure we won't need them as there's so many snacks that we want to try, but I've got them just in case. I will also have my camera on me, which I'm obviously using now, and I've got the little tripod. It's not extendable because you can't take extendable into the parks, but I can pop my camera on there, and it just makes vlogging so much easier because obviously I'm going to be vlogging this trip. So if you don't subscribe, please do so. We have the most amazing trip coming up. I forgot to say, I'll link up the trip announcement below so you can see exactly what we're doing in a couple of weeks. I will also have a water bottle in my bag as well. And the other thing is a mini sun cream. We will obviously have sun cream on when we start the day, but because we're going out for longer days, I will take a little mini sun cream with us. The other thing that I'm taking in this bag that I wouldn't usually take in the Florida parks is a cardigan. I know it's chillier in the mornings, chillier in the evenings, so I will always make sure that I've got a cardigan with me as well. I also have a little pouch on the front, and in here I've got tissues, I've got hand sanitizer, I've got hand cream. I also use my hand cream on my hair actually. I love this Bath & Body Works hand cream, and when you feel like you need a little bit of a freshen up, rub it into my hands and I rub it into my hair. It crunches up my hair, gives it a little bit of a curl, and it smells amazing. This one is pumpkin. It's so lovely. And also to freshen up, I love these. I want to get some more. They're from Urban Outfitters, and it's a little perfume dabber. Again, it just makes you feel a bit fresher. You can't buy these online in the UK, and they're no longer available on the Urban Outfitters site from the States. So I'm really worried they've discontinued them. I bought it last year and I love it so much. So fingers crossed I'll be able to buy another one this year. I've also got in this tiny little pouch a spare camera and a spare card for my camera. And I've got my phone. And that's all I plan to take in my bag in Disneyland. I think that just about covers everything. If I have forgotten something or if you have a suggestion, please let me know. I do have a little pouch as well, a Disney pouch to go around my neck for my park pass. And with regards to the Florida parks, I will also have a couple of ponchos, one for myself, one for one of the kids. Aid will also have two. And brollies as well. I don't know, I'll see what the weather forecast is like. If we're just going in for the morning and it's not forecast until 4 o'clock, for example, I won't take them in. I will risk it. But if it is forecast, I will take the brollies and the ponchos. And that's about it. Obviously there's ears. Always need a space for your ears. I don't keep my ears on if I'm on a coaster, for example. And I've just double checked my list and I think that's it. I try and keep it as light as possible. I hate having to go through the bag control and get checked because it just takes so long and you're so excited. You just want to get in that park. But I try and keep it to an absolute minimum. Didn't take the ponchos and the brollies last year and we did regret it a few times. And Aid just gets lumbered with everything. He has a big rucksack and it's not fair, so I'm trying to be fair and be nice and split the hand luggage this time. I will, however, go extra light with Universal Studios. We're going to see if we can just go really light when we visit Universal Studios in Hollywood, as I'm sure there's lots of the lockers as well. They're just not so they're just a bit more strict than Disney when it comes to taking your bags on the rides. So we're going to see if we can get away with that. But I think that's it. Let me know, what do you take in your bag that I don't take in mine? Or what do I take extra from you? I would love to know any tips, any advice. What kind of bag do you take in as well? We've been changing things up a little bit over the years. I've gone from larger bags when the kids were younger and you needed more stuff, you know, the days when you have to take in a change of clothing, to getting lighter and lighter, and now suddenly with the summer trips, and I need to take in a rucksack again. So let me know what you take, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Please share this video with anyone you think would like it as well. You can also find me on Instagram. I'm the Funky Fairy, and we've recently set up a new Disney account for the two of us. It's Aid and Lisa Do Disney. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new, or if you don't already, it's totally free to subscribe. You just get told when we've next uploaded a video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.